If you guys have been on Twitter at all today, you've probably seen this viral tweet by Uncle Demi, and he was able to find a replica Nikola Jokic build, and since then, everybody on Twitter in the 2K community has been going crazy, trying to find replica builds of other players. And ever since I saw that tweet, I've been sitting in this My Player builder for 2.5 hours trying to find a build. I tried to get a Kobe one, I tried to get a Curry one, and now I finally got this Dennis Rodman one, and I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do to make this build. So for the position on this build, you want to make sure it is a power forward because that's what Dennis Rodman is. For the height, you want to go with 6'7". For the weight and the wingspan, I'm not 100% sure how much they matter. And basically the reason why the weight and wingspan are the way they are is so I can get certain attributes like 99 offensive rebound and 98 defensive rebound on a 6'7" player. And now for the most important part of the video, the attributes. And make sure you watch this part closely because you want to copy this exactly as I do, or else you will not get the build name, The Worm. For the close shot, you want to go ahead and put that to 86. For the driving layup, put that to 55. And then for the driving dunk, you want to put that to 70. For the standing dunk, don't max it out, but you want to put it really high up to 95. For the post control, you want to put that to 79. Then for the mid-range, you want to go ahead and put that to 65. For the three-pointer, you want to put it to 62. For the free throw, you want to go ahead and put that to 72. And now for the playmaking, you want to put the pass accuracy to 61. Put the ball handle up to 45. Put the speed with ball up to 50. Then for the defense, you want to go ahead and max the interior defense at 91. Put the perimeter defense up to 79. Put your steal up to 57. Put the block at a 50. And then for the offensive and defensive rebound, you want to max both of them at 99 and 98. And now for the physicals, you want to put the speed to a 78. You want to put your acceleration to a 75. Then you want to put your strength to a 79, so max that out. Then go ahead and put your vertical to 96. And then you want to max your stamina at 99. And after you do this, the takeovers you choose, it doesn't matter. I did choose rebounding just because this is a Dennis Rodman build. When you load up onto the screen, it's going to show up with no Dennis Rodman. It's just going to be 3 players. And I was so confused because I thought I didn't get it, but then the Bulls logo pops up, Dennis Rodman pops up, and at the bottom it says, "You have discovered a special replica of the Worm." If you guys want to see gameplay on this build, make sure to subscribe.